Welcome back to another shopping blog. Today we are at Ellis Pottery Home and Garden. That's right in Longview, Texas. But baby, check out how they have the Easter staged as soon as you come in. Super, super cute. I love how they stage this store. Absolutely love it. And so you guys know I've been kind of obsessed with the different carrots, honey. So you can always catch me at a carrot patch near you, honey. I just love the texture on that carrot pick. It was very different. And also the cherry blossoms with the eggs. Isn't that cute? Isn't that cute? I thought that was cute. So I was over here, having a time, honey. But Easter was 25% off, which I absolutely love. I always love these mouse egg, Easter egg nests. Very, very cute. But again, the mouse, honey, with the carrots, I'm here for it. I'm here. Oh, I just love it. Ooh, but this was just, tranquility. I wanted it in my backyard. But you guys, check out this deal right here. This deal right here was a banger. Patriotic. It's 50% off at the Ellis Pottery, and I could not believe it. All of their picks and sprays and ribbon was 50% off of Patriotic. And so I had to get it. I had to get a couple of those hearts. I just had to get a few things. Those little lollipops, yes, I did. Super great deal on those. So I absolutely love that. I was very surprised that was already out and it was already on sale. Spring is also 50% off all your spring picks. I love that. So that was just like, giving me, our next season already, ready for the next season. We like to stay ahead of the game, so it was perfect. But I love those lemons. I got a couple of those bee picks. They were absolutely cute. Love, love, love. All the Easter, all the bees, all the lemons, all the spring things I love. But this right here was giving me so much texture that I had to stop. Those spring picks right there, those you can use in Easter designs and anything, it was just very, texture. The texture, I think, grabbed me. I mean, it just grabbed me. I had to get a couple of those too. You see, I couldn't just easily walk away. So yeah, sorry. I love this store. This store is magical, you guys. When you come in here for Christmas time, is the perfect time of the year to go. But I also love them for all of their spring florals. They keep these year round. And I absolutely love that because when I do cemetery work, I always come here and I'm able to find good quality silk flowers. Now, hold on, y'all. Wait. All my wreath makers out there, y'all know what time it is. When you see this right here, I had to hold on for the one time because, baby, guess what that is? Oh, my goodness. Y'all know when you see that, what time it is. I was just like, what? Say what now? Baby, there was some 60919. I couldn't believe it, honey. They had it in the cream, they had it in the pink, they had it in the lavender, they had it in the 63048, the 90210, whatever, honey. Yes, they had it in the fall colors with the reds and the little darker. Yeah, but, honey, they had it in the blue for the little fall. They had it in there. I was like, what? But I love this store, you guys. You're not going to find this type of thing at Hobby Lobby. These tulip picks was everything. I had to kind of fluff it out to see it's full of magic, honey. And I was just like, oh, my goodness. Hot pink, that's been calling my name here lately. But that was a little magical, too. Them little tulip picks with the little eucalyptus and the fern. I like that one. I really like that one. And they also had that in orange. They had lemon picks. Y'all know I love all the wispies. Look, check the wispies that's coming on out over there. With the mousy eucalyptus and the little daisy sprays. Like, I was there for that. I was like, come through, Ellis. Y'all know this is a good bush, too. That's a good one. So it surprised me that they had those things in there, honey. But I'm here for it. Yes, yes, yes. Love these sunflower picks, and as I said, they are always great quality, good quality stuff. You're not gonna find this at Hobby Lobby, and I'm just grateful that I have this in my area. You can also shop with them online if you don't have an Ellis Pottery near you. I think they have like 5 or 6 different locations, but go to ellishomeandgarden.com and check them out. They do have some great deals. Like, look out, the mouse bases. When I need these on hand, I will come and get them, honey. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, yes, yes. I'm here for it. So they had that in the oval. They had that in the chunky. And they even had the confetti going on in there. Yes, yes. It's actually just used one of those that I had from last season. But it turned out really, really, really cute. So I'm here for that. They had the rectangle. I didn't know they had the rectangle. So I figured that out today and was like, oh, here you are hiding back here. check you out with the magnolia. Now, I do use these crosses. I use these a lot for Easter, and I also use them a lot for cemetery sprays for Mother's Day when I get requests and things for that nature of for Mother's Day. But yes, the greenery owl honey and the floral stem owl all was 25% off. Absolutely love that. Great quality again. I just absolutely love this store. Like me and Ellis, honey. Me and Ellis got a thing going on. When I figured out Ellis, honey, we got a thing going on. It's right down the street from the darn Hobby Lobby and from the Michaels. I still stop at all three. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna lie. I be in everywhere, honey. That's how I do. I get down. I goes everywhere to shop. You know what I'm saying? So it's only right that I come to you with the shopping blog because I be in them shopping streets. But check out the spring ribbon was 50% off as well. So I absolutely love that. And all of the burlaps, the creams, the everydays that we use for everyday decor, honey, those were 50% off. And one thing about Ellis is they're going to have some good quality ribbons, but they are mostly 5-yard rolls. Some be 10-yard rolls. So you just have to check and make sure. But I love that they have cemetery arrangements. And when I tell you they are flawless. And they're like they're made to order, but it really shows you what florals and what you can do if you want to make it yourself as well. So I love that they have in-house designers, and as well as hiring different designers in our area and giving them opportunity is wonderful. So the Easter ribbon was 50% off, and all of these mesh colors, even the stripe, even though it says solid, was $3.99. Now this shocked me. $3.99 for this mesh, and that is 10 yards. So I had to grab a couple of them too, because you always need some mesh. But this right here is inspiration. All of these little booths or whatnot have different feels of how you can decorate your home. And when I tell you in the Christmas season, it is magical. It's magical right now. It's like they're starting with the spring. I may need to come back in a couple of weeks because it'll probably be really decked down and decked out. This is one of my favorite floral stems, honey. Yes, look at that little wispy, that little, I love that with the little pod. There go my little favorite things again. But y'all know me. If you know my design style, y'all know that this will speak with my language. I had to come get a close-up. I was like, that thistle with that pampas grass and this right here too. Oh, it was gorgeous. The inspiration be real up here, honey. I be coming up here getting inspired. Look at that cross. Oh, check out all these little arrangements. Wasn't that so darn cute and pretty? That was so pretty with the tulips and stuff. Yes, I love it. Just the inspiration of it all, the artistry. So Ellis Pottery is a must. If you have not shopped, definitely check it out.